Ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when a subscription you rely on suddenly stops? Today, we're talking about Spocket, a platform that's been a game changer for many of you building your dropshipping empires. You've been diligently sourcing products, processing orders, and growing your business. But what if, for whatever reason, your Spocket membership comes to an end? Does your store just disappear? Do your products vanish into the digital ether? The answer is more nuanced than you might think, and understanding it is crucial for protecting your business. Let's start with the most immediate and visible change: product access. The moment your Spocket membership expires, you lose the ability to browse and import new products from their vast catalog. Think of it like a library card that's run out of time. The doors are still there, but you can't check out any new books. This is a clear-cut and expected consequence. What's less obvious, however, is what happens to the products you've already added to your store. The good news is, your existing products won't just vanish. They remain right where you left them, proudly displayed on your Shopify, BigCommerce, or whatever platform you're using. You can still sell them, and your customers can still purchase them. The listings themselves are stable. But here's the critical detail: the connection to Spocket is severed. This means two things that are going to directly impact your day-to-day operations. First, real-time inventory synchronization is gone. Spocket's magic lies in its ability to automatically update your store with the latest stock levels from your suppliers. Without an active membership, that sync stops. You are now solely responsible for monitoring stock levels, which means manually checking with your suppliers or using other tools. If a popular item sells out and you don't catch it, you'll be facing angry customers and the hassle of issuing refunds. This is a potential operational nightmare, especially for a high-volume store. Second, and this is perhaps the most significant point, automated order processing is a thing of the past. One of Spocket's core features is its one-click ordering system, where you simply click a button and the order is sent directly to the supplier for fulfillment. When your membership ends, this automation is gone. You will have to manually place every single order with your supplier. This is not only incredibly time-consuming but also opens the door to human error, a wrong address, an incorrect size, or a forgotten item. Suddenly, what was a streamlined process becomes a logistical headache. So, to recap, your store doesn't disappear, and your products don't vanish. But your access to new products, real-time inventory updates, and automated order fulfillment all cease. Your business doesn't stop, but it reverts to a manual, time-intensive model. The convenience and efficiency you were paying for are gone, and you're now operating without the safety net and time-saving tools that a Spocket membership provides. So, what should you do if your membership is about to end? The best course of action is to be proactive. If you plan to continue dropshipping, renew your membership to maintain business continuity. If you've decided to move on from dropshipping or are transitioning to another model, be sure to communicate with your existing customers about potential changes or delays. And, if you're in the middle of a high-volume sales period, ending your membership without a plan is a recipe for disaster. Understanding these consequences isn't just about knowing what you lose, it's about appreciating the value of what you have. Spocket is more than just a list of products, it's an operational backbone for your dropshipping business. Its automated features save you time, reduce errors, and ultimately allow you to focus on the things that truly grow your business, like marketing and customer service. So, if your membership is on the verge of expiring, take a moment to consider the operational impact before you let it go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.